Till now you have seen how to display all the tasks available in the DB, how to create a new task from the front end, as well as how to edit a specific task, and finally how to delete a specific task. Now we will take a step further, and if you remember that in our model we have another field which is called isCompleted. If a task is completed, then in that case we will just wrap our task text inside an S tag of HTML, which is strike through. And here we will add a button to toggle the state of a specific task. So let's get back to our editor and figure out how we can do that. So the first thing we will do is, instead of just rendering task, we will do task.text. And here, after the delete button, we will add another form. The name of the path will be toggle. And instead of delete, we will display toggle. So here it is. We have added a toggle state button which will submit the form with the URL to app1:toggle. And there is one more thing that we need to do now. We will add a condition here Here we have added a condition. If the task is completed, then we are wrapping the task text inside the S tags, and otherwise we will not wrap it. So that's it. Now let's save this file. Let's open our urls.py file, and here after the delete method, we will add another path. For toggle. So here the path is toggle/id, which is of type integer, and that will execute the toggle method of views. Here after the delete method, let's add the toggle method. It will be similar to the delete request. So you can just copy this. So the first thing we will do inside toggle is, if the request method is post, then in that case, we will just fetch the task from the database by using the ID provided from the URL. And after that, we will just update the isCompleted value. So here what we are doing is task.isCompleted is equals to not task.isCompleted. So here if the task.isCompleted value is true, then it will be set to false because of this not operator. So this is how it works. If the value is true, then it will be set to false. If it is false, then it will be set to true. And after the value is updated, we will just execute the save method on this task instance. Now after the task is saved, we will just redirect the user to the home page. Now let's save this and let's give it a try. So here is our output. You can see a new button after each task, toggle state. If you click on inspect, you will see the URL pattern for this form. This one is for delete /app1 delete and the ID. And here for the toggle one, this URL form action is /app1/toggle/1 the ID. So let's toggle a state. Here you can see we have toggled the state for this task, and after that the if condition is working and wrapping it inside the S tags. Let's toggle it again, and here it is updated. So this is how you can toggle the state of a specific task.